Welcome to the tutorial session of reports in DroneNaksha. Click on a project created from DroneNaksha dashboard. Click on the plan created under project. Proceed by clicking on the maps. Click on Download Asset from the toolbar on the right-hand side. You will see multiple options to extract. By clicking on Download, the file would be saved on your computer device. As you click on Main Report, you will be directed to a new window. Here you can edit the name of the plan and the project. You will see map details with different data types like orthomosaic, digital surface model, digital terrain model generated. By clicking on Download, report would be ready to print. Thank you for watching DroneNaksha tutorial video.